Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Lan channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that you can be a part of this growing family. We are now officially uh, we are now officially 7,954 subscribers. 46 na lang, no? 46 na lang, guys. Ano na tayo? Lalarga na tayo sa 8,000. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Okay, so pag-usapan po natin today ay yung kay Angara, no? Si Senator Angara po ay siya po ay ang incoming Secretary ng Department of Education. Siya po ay papalit kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa July 19. So malapit na po yan, no? 15 days na lang po ay may bago na po tayong secretary ng Department of Education at tamang-tama ito sa State of the Nation address ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa July 22. Saktong-sakto lang, no? Okay, so ito po ang sabi niya, no, yung according to our incoming Department of Education Chief or Secretary Sani Angara, talagang kumpiyansa siya, no? Talaga na that the salaries of public school teachers will increase in the next few years. Tama lang naman din 'yon dahil nga according to a study, according to the research, ito ay isa sa mga pinakamababa sa Southeast Asia, no? 'Di ba? Yung iba nating mga guro ay pumupunta nga po diyan sa Thailand upang magturo. But he also admitted that the process will not be easy, noting that not only about 1 million public school educators are asking for a pay raise but also millions of other employees in government. Hindi lang po sila, hindi lang po mga guro, kundi ang bawat sangay ng gobyerno ay um, humihingi ng increase. Pero syempre, iba naman po ito dahil sila po ay nagtuturo sa ating mga kabataan. So, pero kumpiyansa siya in the next few years, hindi ko lang alam kung this year or next year, pero pero magkakaroon ng pagtaas ng sweldo ang ating mga guro. Sabi niya sa tingin niya sa kanyang pamamalakad, no, talagang sana po magkatotoo naman. According to him, who has extensive experience as a legislator, being named as a next DepEd secretary, upgrading the salary of government workers is no joke. Talagang hindi naman po biro-biro yan dahil nga naman ay baka kailangan natin mag-increase ng buwis. So talagang mahirap. It's really difficult. Angara emphasize. But I'm confident because every administration nagkakaroon ng pagtaas ng sweldo mga teachers. Ngayong under BBM, wala pa naman pagtaas. So ako, ang tingin ko dito sa loob ng termino ni Pangulong Marcos, sa termino ni Secretary Angara, magkakaroon po tayo ng pagtaas sa sweldo ng mga teachers. Angara emphasize. Okay? So Angara then disclosed that he would look at improving public school teachers' benefits aside from possibly raising their salaries. Particularly, he's eyeing ways to fix public school teachers' access to loans. So yun. No? Naku po. Kasi nagkakaroon ng private loans ito mga to. No? Kasi nakikita ko, for example, yung mga nakukuha nilang mga loan, minsan natatali sila dyan ng matagal at minsan mataas ang interest. So pag-aralin natin tapos kausapin natin yung ibang financial institution sa gobyerno dahil may government service insurance system. GSIS, no? Meron tayong GSIS at may land bank pa, may SB Corp pa sa Department of Trade and Industry. Nagpapautang ng mura sa mga negosyante, no? So baka pwede 'yon, no? 'Yon. Tapos so kunwari, meron silang investment, dapat meron din silang access dito at preferential treatment. Yan ang opinion ko pero ayoko pangunahan dahil wala pa namang pag-uusap, sabi ni Secretary Angara. Pero yung ang isa sa mga plano ko, ayusin natin. Tama po yan, Secretary, ayusin po natin yung mga financial, no? Financial literacy ng mga guro, yung kanilang benefits sa kayong access to loans, things like that. Very common yan. Nadidistract sila sa kanilang pagtuturo dahil ika nga, busy sila dahil sabi nga ng Pangulo, merong pamilya itong mga ito. Tama naman. So for example, if they have an investment, they should have an access here and preferential treatment. Dapat nag-i-invest sila, nag-save sila. That's my opinion. But I don't want to get ahead because there's no conversation yet or there's no discussion yet. However, that's one of the things that I want to fix. Their benefits and access to loans, things like that, commonly they got distracted in their teaching because just like the President said, they have families too. No? Sige po. Okay, sige, hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko ha. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayo. God bless you all.